LITOM Original Solar Lights Outdoor, 3 optional modes. Wireless motion sensor light with 270 degrees wide angle, IP65 waterproof, easy to install security lights for front door, yard, garage, deck. World-leading solar light brand is the leader of the solar light industry. LITOM focuses on the innovation of design and technology to provide the best lighting experience to customers from all over the world. LITOM has sold more than 5 million solar lights and been favorably reviewed by more than 4 million customers. Brighter and whiter lighting equipped with upgraded high-power LEDs and newest energy management chip, LITOM solar-powered light is the first light with wide-range design in the world, which increases the angle and area of illumination by 50%. The illumination range of one light can reach 200 square feet and 800 square feet for 4 lights to be used simultaneously. All-day working light LITOM LED light absorbs and converts sunlight into electricity and stores in daytime and light up for 20 seconds when motion detected at night. It will prolong lighting time if motion detected once again during lighting, which meets your need to for all-night use. 3 convenient modes. Compare with other single-mode solar lights. LITOM Solar Lights Outdoor bring 3 working modes to cope with different usage scenarios. Perfect for using on front door, backyard, garage, driveway, deck, pathway, and porch. 36-month-long lifespan. LITOM solar-powered light is IP65 waterproof that it completely protects circuit and battery and makes its lifespan 2 times than others. LED lights have passed the FCC certification, may be the most reliable solar light you ever get. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.